Hey guys, hey everybody. Okay, let me be serious. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be trying my best to install that wig with this got to be glue, wax stick, gorilla glue, and my lovely brush. So I'm fixing that wig exactly where I need to be. I'm just like checking where I need to be, and that's of course after I have brushed my edges, after you brushed your edges too. So I'm just spraying that got to be glue generously over my forehead. Like this thing must stick. If you haven't already, just help me and click that subscribe button there, okay? And after those 3 minutes, I'm just pressing the wig on my head and placing it at the right spot and pressing it on my head so that I can glue. And I needed my sister to put the band over it because I didn't want to let go. So you can do this by yourself, but if you need help, just get help. Let's say a very big thank you to Lola. You too, take over.
Buffing that shit and I pass it. It's cool, I was feeling that math and I'm doing numbers, I be counting each day. Yo, man, chick is one of my sides. She said that she love you, she lied. Dick like a gun in the face, you know I be shooting on sight, so I spray that shit in the eye. I'm feeling good. Smoking a wood. I'm on a zoo. I'm sipping that good. Man, I'm so fly all day. Man, I'm too fly like bait. Sipping my cone straight. I'm taking these shots, get set. Man, I'm so fly all day. Man, I'm too fly like bait. Sipping my cone straight. I'm taking these shots, don't say.
So my next step is to lay my edges, of course. So this wig already has cut hair, so I'll just be trying to lay those hairs around because I don't want to cut more hair and make it more messy. So while we're doing that, let's also talk about how I made that pattern. So I made that pattern before putting the wig on. I think that's the best thing to do because you can see what you're doing. I'm so sorry that I don't have a video for that, but I just made the pattern, made my desired pattern, and what I really used to make it defined is the wax stick. I'm ashamed that I don't have that video, but I'm sorry guys. I just used the wax stick on my head, and that's how I made that pattern. When I use the wax stick, when I make the cutting, I just use the wax stick and make it more defined and brush and comb it. I hope this helps. You know that soundtrack that goes, nobody's going to know, nobody's going to know. How would they know? Please just like this video and yes, subscribe.